Baby's good to me, you know she's happy as can be, you know she said so. I'm in love with her and I feel fine.
Is the British community name?
What is the British community name? In my opinion,
Yeah.
it's a group of native speakers and local Italians and other nationalities that come together and get in bonds of friendship and showing a common language.
According to your opinion, is it working?
Yeah, definitely. No, I've met a lot of great people here. Definitely. I enjoy coming here a lot.
Okay. What kind of atmosphere there is?
Very relaxed. Very relaxed atmosphere. Nobody is snobby, racing of each other. Abbiamo finito?
Yes. Yeah.
I feel like I'm going to be in an advertising video now because I'm on the video now.
Yeah, you look great. I don't totally natural.
Thanks. I
Do
hope
I
you
have
get
to?
Sylvia.
Hello. Yes, we want to know.
Is it necessary?
Yes.
Yes, very necessary.
Tell us.
Come on, don't be afraid. It's okay.
Tell us about your experience at British Community Night.
I like this very much because it can help you to improve your English and to know new people, foreigner people, but Neapolitan as well. Why do you laugh?
Also,
Why do you laugh?
if you already speak English, it's fun because you can speak English with everybody. Don't worry, we understand.
Oh.
Lei parla bene, lei parla bene.
Yes. Thank you, guys.
Baby's good to me, you know she's happy as can be, you know she said so.